Ang tagal nating hindi nag-vlog. So I think ilang months? 1 month, 2 months hindi tayo nag-vlog. But welcome back sa aming vlog. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-vlog, guys. Ano na ngayon? April, ano na ba? Ano bang date ngayon? April 4. OMG. And ngayon na lang tayo ulit mag-vlog. Holy cow. Ang tagal. Grabe, guys. So anyways, yan, magbabalik vlog na tayo, guys. Dahil hindi na tayo sobrang busy ngayon. And as in, sobrang busy talaga ng buhay ko, guys. As in, so ngayon medyo kalma-kalma na yung buhay natin ngayon. Pero still busy pa din, pero naging konti-konti na lang yung busy ng ating life ngayon. But anyways, guys, so ayan, update lang sa ating life, diba? So hindi ko na alam kung anong pwedeng i-update ko sa inyo dahil sobrang maraming nangyari sa ating buhay. Pero siguro sa susunod na vlog na lang natin yung mga buhay-buhay natin. But anyways, nandito ako ngayon sa Walmart kasi sa April 6 is birthday na ni Kuya Chad and mag-11 years old na siya, guys. Grabe, 11 years old na ang ating kuya. And bibili lang tayo ng mga konting decoration. So today is Saturday and tomorrow is Easter Sunday tomorrow. So hindi na tayo makakapag-bili ng mga kakailanganin natin for Monday sa birthday niya kasi nga sobrang magiging busy na yung store ngayon. Ngayon pa lang busy na dahil Easter Sunday na tomorrow. So dito kasi talaga is sineselebrate ang Easter with gatherings with family, ganyan. So talagang sineselebrate dito. And mag-church tayo tomorrow. So hindi na talaga tayo makakapag-bili ng mga kailangan natin para sa birthday ni Kuya Chad sa Monday. So ngayon natin gagawin. So samahan niyo ako. Konting lang naman yung bibilihin natin is mga decoration lang naman. Tapos konting decoration lang, and then bibili tayo ng ice cream cake dahil yun ang gusto nila. So sa Sunday kasi it's lahat ng buong family is nandoon. Kapatid ng asawa ko, mga anak niya, so nandoon lahat. So doon natin gusto lang nilang kantahan si Chad ng happy birthday kasi nga hindi sila makakapunta sa actual birthday ni Kuya. So bukas natin, hindi naman celebration pero nandoon kasi lahat, so kakantahan lang siya ng happy birthday. And nagsuggest ng aking mother-in-law na ice cream cake yung dapat nating bilihin para ma-enjoy naman nila kasi minsan lang kami nag-ice cream cake, lagi kasing regular cake ang binibili natin. So pero sa birthday niya mismo, hindi ko alam kung gagawa na lang ako ng cake or mag-order ako. I don't know. But I think gagawa na lang ako ng cake niya. Gagawa na lang siguro tayo para hindi na tayo gumastos, So meron na tayong cake sa bahay. So hindi na tayo gagastos. Para So samahan niyo ako, guys. And so let's go. So it's very mainit, guys. Yan, dito tayo sa Walmart. Medyo mainit. So dito na tayo sa Walmart, guys. So bili tayo ng gift wrap. Kunin natin to. Ito pa kunin natin. Ito na lang. Kuha tayo ng dalawa kasi may gift na tayo para kay Kuya. So dito tayo, guys, sa mga birthday cards. So ito yung napili ko. Ito sana, tsaka ito.
ko. Wala na kasi yung like yung ganito, yung year 11, wala na. 21. So, I think ito na lang guys yung kukunin natin. Super Mario. Or itong Minecraft na to. Kasi mahilig pa rin naman siya sa Minecraft. So, I think Minecraft na lang. Alright. Next naman tayo sa mga party stuff. So, kuha tayo na itong 211. Ayan. 211 na candle. Then, ito lang yung ating banner na lagi natin kinukuha. Yun na lang. Kasi yung iba dito wala na eh. Hindi na niya wala nang type si kuya dito. So, ito na lang. Ayan. Tapos, kuha tayo nitong 11. Ay, yeah, paras lang pala. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng 11. Then, kuha din tayo na itong balloon. Tapos, kuha din tayo na itong paper plate para maganda. Tapos, kuha tayo na itong gold na tablecloth. Wala tayong theme.
So guys, we are done. OMG, ang busy ng Walmart ngayon. Sobrang busy. My gosh. Kaya, sobrang busy ngayon. So now, pupunta tayo sa DQ para bumili ng ice cream cake. Nagtingin ako ng ice cream cake doon, but medyo, hindi ko type, I guess, I don't know. But we will see pagdating natin sa sa DQ. Oh my gosh, ang init, grabe. We are on 80 degrees. Tapos ang sabi is daw, snow this week. And nakakaloka. Guys, spring break na ng mga bata. Nag-start sila yung Friday kasi nga 'di ba Good Friday. So yeah, spring break nila, wala silang school. So bahay lang tayo, and yung gas ngayon sobrang taas na, as in like nasa $4 na yung gas natin ngayon. $3.99, pero syempre with tax pa yan, blah blah blah. So $4 ang ating gas ngayon. And I know dyan sa Pinas, sobrang taas na ng gasolina. La. Dahil sobrang taas na rin ang gasolina dito sa amin. So, yep. Hindi lang ang Pilipinas ang nagkakaroon ng problema sa gas. Kami din. Dahil lahat tumataas na. Oh my gosh, yung hair ko sobrang dry. OMG! So, anyways, let's go.
So, ito na siya guys. Papalagyan natin ng lettering. So, ayan na siya guys. Ewan ko bakit may parang Jad. Pa yan. For tomorrow yan. So, tapos na tayo guys. So, uuwi na tayo kasi kailangan natin ilagay sa freezer. Back sa freezer itong ice cream cake kasi kung hindi natin ilagay yan sa freezer, matutunaw agad yan. So, let's go home. Tsaka meron tayong mga cold stuff dito. So, yes. Let's go home. Let's go. So, guys, bahay na ako. So, so tomorrow is Easter. So, nag-boil ako ng eggs para meron tayong decoration for, magde-decorate tayo for Easter. Hindi. Tayo ng decoration for itlog. Ang dami nang gastusin. Masasayang pa yung itlog. So, ito. Iboboil natin yan. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng like mga decoration ng mga kids na gustong color na gusto nilang ilagay dyan. So, yan. Binoboil na natin. about to rain, guys. Ayan na yun si Daddy nag-grill. Silipin na natin yung ating ano dito, ating plant. Uy, naku po. Wala, hindi kailangan natin magtanim na. Wala nang laman. Mga ano na sila, mga dead balls. So, we need to start all over. Ay. Ngayon na lang sila nakapaglaro dito sa labas, guys, dahil sobrang lamig, as in. So, gusto ko maglagay ng swimming pool dito, guys. So, para meron tayong swimming pool kasi wala yata tayong pupuntahan for summer. Dahil wala tayong budget. So, bibili na lang tayo ng swimming pool para malagay dito. Dito sa area na yan. Dito. Yan. Abangan ang ating swimming pool. So, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung kinigrilled ni Daddy. Daddy is grilling ribs. Ayan. Ha? That's Daddy's ribs. So, ito na, guys. So, this is, what is this again? Teriyaki, right? And then this is the barbecue. So, iba yung ano ni Daddy. Ayan, kumakain na yung dalawang Tapos inaasikaso ko yung kay Troy tsaka kay Natalia kasi kailangan nating hiwain ng maliliit. Kasi hindi nila makakain ng ganyan yan eh. Kaya, ayan, inaasikaso natin. Is it good? Good? Caleb, good? Ay.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Eat.
Hi, how are you doing?
Okay, can you guys stop?
Hi, how are you eating?
All right, I'm gonna get you guys some drink because I got Kuya Chad and Caleb a drink. Uy.
Mom, I have infinite water right here.
Okay, well, drink your infinite water.
I want the infinite
All right, show me you're taking a bite.
Okay. That's just a. Wait, let me show you what I'm real proud of. Yeah, I took a bite.
Is it good, Kuya?
Yeah, it's delicious.
All right, chew it. Over the rainbow.
You had this before.
Yes, you have it before. Stop! Baka nga to.
Mom, I
Sorry, that was
the
a
water
piece of
right
meat
here.
in my teeth.
And right here.
It's okay. You can get it out when you're done eating.
I can just, when it's not filled, I can just grab it, put it here, do this, done.
Come
My
on.
infinite water.
Turn around and eat. Here's your juice.
Strawberry, my favorite. I thought you liked raspberry. grape.
Hmm?
What do you like the grape? You're gonna like the rabbit.
Come on, eat with rice.
I need some help opening.
You can do it.
My biscuit and all.
You said you're yes.
I just put it.
I would have a toothpick.
Huh?
A toothpick.
A toothpick.
Yeah.
Now guys, we're gonna do color the eggs.
And we each get to do two.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna use these glitter thingies.
You're gonna make here. Put
Copyrighted.
yes. Put some water in here. Just right there, okay?
And we're
Here.
going to put these.
Just right there in the sink.
It's not gonna fit.
Okay, we'll go in the
Just right here.
bathroom.
Just right here.
Yes, just right here.
Yeah,
Food color.
Mom, can I do some?
Yes, go help.
Can I do some too?
Go help. Put some
I'm gonna
water.
do some too.
Okay, go.
So I wanna do one too.
Hello, everybody.
Can that be mine? That
Okay,
one's
get some
mine.
more.
Mommy, that
We
one's
have
mine.
we have a lot of color. Okay.
Wait, was it supposed to be warm or cold water?
That don't matter.
Okay. So it doesn't matter what type of water.
Mommy,
it is.
that one's gonna be mine.
Technically here.
Do what?
One technically here.
That one's mine. Mommy, that one's mine.
Yeah, no, stop. Get your show on. Go.
Smart, keep it.
Dad, get some more.
Is this the glue that we used to put the glitter?
Shoot, I forgot.
What?
We gotta put some vinegar.
Vinegar. Get some.
You got a mat down so they spill it?
No. So we're gonna put some datu puti.
Dr. Putty?
Yeah.
Code.
Vanaga. Madagascar.
Mommy, this one's gonna be mine, okay? And I have my dirt. I have my dirt. It is vinegar.
Munaga.
Vinegar. Not vinegar.
Vinegar.
That one's gonna be Mommy, that one's mine.
It doesn't matter.
I got these ones filled up. Hopefully it's Mom, I'm not gonna like take one and dip it in. I'm not gonna do that.
Molly.
What are you gonna do?
What is this?
Oh, I'm gonna use a paint. Oh, Mom, did you get this one?
Not yet.
I'm gonna use this paintbrush right here.
Hey, y'all wanna use a paintbrush?
No, I forgot this one. So.
What?
Smell it.
I'm gonna smell one too.
It's like
the first
salt
one's
and salt
mine.
and vinegar.
It's like a salt and vinegar.
It's the one that me and you always eat.
Smells horrible. Hey, have you this down is shaped into something cool? Look, it's shaped into something.
Hey Mom, I'm just gonna dip the paint and then I'm gonna dip this. I'm gonna dip the paintbrush in it and then start coloring it.
Okay.
This is
I
mine.
want
This
a
is mine.
paintbrush too. The pink one.
And then we gotta mix it up, right?
Yeah.
This one's mine,
what?
okay, mommy?
I want the blue.
You want the blue one?
I'm the pink.
And right here. Red. I want red.
Blue.
I go red.
Troy, cool, can
Red
I
goes here.
choose
Red goes
blue?
here. Why not right
That
here?
one's mine. Pink one's mine.
Well, that one is empty.
Oh, ew.
Or, oh, shoot.
This one's
No,
mine.
this is full.
orange?
This is full.
That's yellow.
This is
Whatever.
full.
This
This is little full. water.
No, it's not. There's a little bit. Let's see.
Oh, Caleb! He spilled it.
Alright, before you guys, if you guys wanted to draw something on here, draw it first before you guys dump it in the
What do we draw?
on the coloring.
No, I'm not gonna dip it. I'm not gonna dip the egg. I'm just gonna dip this.
No, it's not gonna work.
Mom,
What do you mean?
what do you do with this?
What is
Is it-
this?
Just write something on it or draw a smiley face or something.
Isn't this,
Purplish. Purplish.
Mom? Isn't this paint?
Why are you mixing
This is the
red?
paint right here.
Why are you
Oh, yeah, I want
mixing
pink. I want to use the
red?
Alright.
Okay, I'm
put it
plopping
in
mine
there.
in my pink
What,
one.
paint?
I'm plopping
Yeah,
this
this
one.
is
Mommy, I'm
gold.
I'm plopping mine in this one, okay?
That's gold.
I'll do gold. All right, I draw mine.
Dude, which one?
So you want? So I just
Dude, you just
open this and then.
Mommy, I don't really feel like drawing mine.
That doesn't have anything in it.
Mommy,
Yes,
I don't really feel like drawing any.
Earlier it didn't have
Mommy, I don't feel like
I don't-
drawing
I don't-
on
Sissy,
mine.
do you want it?
How do I open this? Put mine in. Oh, that's
Gold,
orange.
gold. I go for gold. Shimmery. I think feel like
What's that supposed to do?
Oh, I think that's supposed to be putting it in here.
What if we add a little bit of
Put
water?
this in the
Should we add a little bit of water?
Mommy, can I put mine in
A little bit
here?
of water? Am I able to dump mine?
there.
Can I put mine in?
Yes.
Okay, so
I want to use this so I can.
Mom, so I can just take
Where's the gold?
Mom, so I can just take so I take an egg and then I dip the paintbrush in it and then start painting it.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Mommy, what are you doing?
Mom, I draw mine.
What? Good dupe.
We got
Able to-
plenty.
Yeah, am I able to do it next? I think there's another one. Hang on, I'm gonna go check.
Hey, you can use mine, Coach Chad. It's blue. It's the blue one.
Oh, I think you're supposed to be doing it like this. I don't know. Like that.
Can I see? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then we draw, then we paint it.
I put mine.
Mom, can I use this to?
No,
make it a
you
little
and
bit
then you
easier?
put these in here.
Mommy, got it. I'm gonna mix
Yes,
mine.
mix it, mix it.
Mama, mixing mine.
Okay.
Mommy, you can. Mommy, I don't need any help. So fun.
All right,
and
Sissy, put yours in there. There we go.
I'm gonna do a little bit.
Does it go upside down like this?
That's the thing
Sure.
that you use to mix it.
How does it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna mix right here.
Joy, just leave it there for now. You gotta leave it there until it starts.
Well, I'm gonna mix
Well,
right
I'm
here.
gonna flip it. Need this shirt so I can do it.
Okay, this one, the glitter one. I don't know what is this.
The pink one belongs to me, Mom. Get more?
Oh, Sissy, there's a glue. Where's the glue? This one, and then you put the.
What's this?
Stickers. I'm trying to look for the other paintbrush, but I can't find
You
it.
can use mine because I don't use it anymore.
Here, hold this for a second.
Troy, what are you doing?
The electric boogaloo.
Oh no, that was broken.
What?
The handle for the Easter.
I wanted to use this one to get it out. Can I use this one, Mommy, to get it out?
Last time I cracked one, remember? Because I carried it in that egg thing. I'm still painting this. Yeah, it broke.
This is the only
slipped
one
out of my hands.
I'm gonna get some paper towels so you guys can put your
Eggies on.
eggies on.
I am almost finished.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
I just gotta
look
let
at
the
this.
paint dry. And then I
Mom, I just do mine.
I still have to do my second one.
Dang it.
That's what.
Dude, I'm wanting to do
After
it.
I need to get
Get
Please.
that one.
which one?
You need to wait until it revoids.
Ooh, what
I
did
need to-
you call it, Troy? Oh, when you guys are doing this, you gotta do it like hard.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah,
like
I
this,
didn't want it
So
to
it will
drag.
stay.
So it will like stay without.
Okay, look, it's not
I
working.
didn't want to
Yeah, it is.
drag.
See?
Mommy, I have my second one
See?
ready, which I'm holding. Mom, I didn't.
Careful.
I
Move your
forgot.
phone. Whose phone is that?
I'm sorry.
Want to play music.
No, we're not.
This is so cool, Mommy. I love it.
Hold up.
I put hi there. Turns out it's not coming out. It's not.
I can't wait to put the glitter on my on my shimmery. Mom, what are you doing?
Okay, I've finished
Now
the
it's
egg.
gonna be my
I finished the egg, Mom.
Mom, I'm gonna grab my egg.
Okay, my turn. Please.
Let your brother do his turn.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
I'm just grabbing
Now
it.
scooch away, please.
The only color is gold anyways.
You can just stand up. It's okay.
I'm so
Scooch away,
excited to
please.
do mine. Really, I
Scoot.
can't. Oh my gosh,
gonna do-
that's pretty.
Green.
Mom, can you
Ding
move
dong,
this side,
mix
please?
it up. Ding dong,
Yes.
mix it up.
This side, please.
Mom, I'm grabbing mine.
Go.
I probably should mine right there.
Go. Can you move
Can
this
I
side,
get
please?
mine now? Here.
No.
No, grab it. Oh,
You
there
putting
you
on
go.
shirt?
Oh, in order for me to walk in there, I have to.
I'm not very good at getting eggies.
In order for Daddy to come in.
I need-
Whoa!
Is that glitter?
Yeah.
Sissy, look.
Oh my god. Yes, it is.
Oops.
I need some. Can you help me get my eggie for someone?
Yeah,
That right there. I need help getting it.
Oh, well.
Oh, someone's on my hand. That's cool.
Yeah. It's okay. Don't put it on your shirt.
Mommy, do you think we should add a little bit of pink?
What are
in
you
this?
two doing?
Mommy, I'm gonna try
I'm
something with.
coloring.
Mix it together.
I'll put JX1, DX1.
Mom, I couldn't.
There.
Mom, I done my name to like.
Oh, you put your name on there?
Can I get a spoon so I can do something with
No. We're not gonna put any spoon. Red? I don't think we have red.
Yeah, there is no red. There is red. Right here.
Yeah, but I think I mixed it with. Ay, talaga naman. Oo. I mixed it with pink and red. Red. Oh, there's white.
Oh, Troy, this is my creation.
Oh gosh, your creation with glitters on it.
So are you?
You might want to go wash your hand. Don't put glitters everywhere. Okay, see? Okay, go. Well, you guys are gonna go shower anyways, cause
Mama, look at my creation.
your creation. There's more eggs right there.
Can I need some white?
So, ito na guys, ang eggs nila. And ayan, wala na. Iniwanan nila to. Ganyan talaga. Ang cute na ito. Pagkakagawa. Ang cute niya. So guys, pagkatapos ng ating color ng eggs, ngayon pupunta ako sa bahay ni mother-in-law kasi gusto niya tulungan ko siya sa paglalagay ng ng mga chocolate, candy sa eggs para sa egg hunt nila tomorrow. So, yeah. At alam, gabi na, 8 o'clock na. Pero ganito pa rin yung natin. So, yeah. Tara, let's go.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for and almost left town, but there's something about you.
So guys, tapos na tayo. So uuwi na tayo. And meron pa tayong dalang candy. Sobrang madilim na, 9 o'clock na. So, malamig. So, hanggang ngayon, alam ko, gising pa yung mga bata. So let's go home.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
So, eto na guys, na-sort out na natin yung mga lalagyan natin dito sa kanilang basket. Ayan. Tapos lalagyan pa natin itong para mas maganda. So, this is Kuya Chad, Caleb, Troy, and then Natalia. And of course, yung basket na Natalia, kay Troy, Chad, and Caleb. Ayan.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So, ito na guys. Yan. So, Sa table na sila. So, bumili pala si daddy nito. Yung saranggola siya na naka-build na. So, ayan. Bumili pala siya na. Hindi ko alam. Yan, saranggola. So, yung kay Chad is eagle. Kay Caleb, dinosaur. Wala na ata iba. Tapos, kay Troy, ganyan din. And then, kay ate girl is butterfly. So, ayan. Ayan. Tapos, meron din silang mga outfit, guys. Ayan. Binilahan ko sila ng outfit. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung ating eggs. Nilagay ko dito para mas maganda. Presentable. O, diba? Presentable. Ayan. So, guys, naroon akong Easter basket para kay daddy. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko pa siya ma-assemble kasi ang tagal-tagal niya matulog. Kaya tutulog lang, kaya papasok niya lang sa kwarto. So, it is 12:36 na. So, hinintay ko siyang matulog para makuha ko yung mga ilalagay ko sa basket para sa kanya. Ay, nako. So, ito na guys, yung kay daddy. Hindi siya masyadong madami, pero ayan. Yan sa kanya. Naglagay tayo ng mula. Yan, para may pera siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating mga Easter So, matutulog na tayo. Dahil 12:54 na guys. So, matutulog na tayo guys. Dahil maaga pa tayo gigising tomorrow. Para mag-ready. Dahil mag-church tayo tomorrow. And, so yeah. Inaantok na rin ako. So, tapos na tayo sa ating Easter bunny. So, let's go to sleep. So, I'm happy na I'm back sa pag-vlog, guys. I'm happy. So, yes. But anyways, good night, guys. See you guys again tomorrow. Good night. Thank you for watching.